What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video with health and stuff. In this video, we are going to talk about another popular fad diet, the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has been used for centuries to treat certain medical conditions. It is gaining popularity as a weight loss strategy, and many people are turning to the ketogenic diet to lose weight and improve their overall health. The goal of the diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body is burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. To get started on the ketogenic diet, you will need to make some changes to your diet. This includes eating a diet that is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. This means eating foods like nuts, seeds, oils, avocados, fatty fish, and high-fat dairy products like butter. You will also want to avoid sugary and processed foods, as these can kick you out of ketosis. Once you have made these changes to your diet, you will need to test your ketone levels. This can be done with urine strips, blood tests, or breath tests. If your ketone levels are in the optimal range, you can start to increase your fat intake and decrease your carbohydrates. Here are a few tips on how to stay in ketosis. The first is to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. This helps to flush out toxins and can help to reduce cravings. The second is to eat enough fat. Eating too little fat can kick you out of ketosis and make it more difficult to stay in the state of ketosis. The third is to get enough sleep. A lack of sleep can lead to fatigue and can make it harder to stay in ketosis. The fourth is to exercise regularly. Exercise can help you to burn fat and can help to optimize your health. By following these tips and making the necessary changes to your diet, you can start to see results. Now on to the benefits. Firstly, a ketogenic diet can help to control weight by stimulating the body to burn fat for energy. When the body enters this state, it breaks down stored fat into ketones. These ketones can be used as an energy source. This helps to prevent the body from storing extra calories as fat, which can lead to weight gain. In addition, a ketogenic diet has been shown to reduce hunger and cravings. This can make it easier to stick to a healthier eating plan, and maintain a healthy body weight. Secondly, a ketogenic diet can reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. Studies have shown that a ketogenic diet can improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. It has also been linked to a reduction in inflammation, which can reduce the risk of many chronic illnesses. Additionally, a ketogenic diet can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by improving cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Finally, a ketogenic diet has been linked to improved cognitive function. Studies have shown that this diet can help to stimulate the growth of neurons in the brain. More neurons leads to improved memory, focus, and mental clarity. Additionally, this type of diet has been linked to a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and other neurological conditions. With all the pros, there has to be some negatives. You should take these negatives into account before making the decision to try it. One potential negative associated with the ketogenic diet is its potential to cause unpleasant side effects. These can include constipation, muscle cramps, headaches, and fatigue. Also, some people may experience what is known as keto flu, which is characterized by nausea, vomiting, and body aches. These side effects are usually temporary, but they can still be quite unpleasant, and may make it difficult to stick to the diet. Another negative is its potential to cause nutritional deficiencies. Since the diet is so restrictive, it is difficult to get all of the essential vitamins and minerals that the body needs to function properly. This can lead to a variety of health issues, such as anemia, growth and development delays, and weakened immune systems. Furthermore, some research has also suggested that the restrictive nature of the diet may also lead to an increased risk of developing certain types of cancer. Finally, a ketogenic diet can also be difficult to maintain in social situations. It is often hard to find low-carbohydrate options at restaurants or parties, which in turn can make it difficult to politely refuse tempting foods that are not part of the diet. This can often lead to feelings of deprivation or social isolation, which can make it difficult to stick to the diet. As you can see with this diet and many others, there are both pros and cons to it. You will need to determine if this diet is best for you. The best kind of diet is the one you can stick with. I hope you liked this video and have learned a little about the ketogenic diet. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have an idea for a video, leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.